So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Ircon share. So previously, when we have discussed about Ircon, so we have seen that the company has issued the bonus of 1:1, and also we have discussed what would be the record date and what would be the next possible levels. So basically, whenever any bonus issue happens, price drop would be present and it gets listed at a low price, and after that you will be getting some additional shares according to the ratio. So same what we discussed in Infibeam Avenues as well. So now we'll try to do the complete analysis. We'll see how the deliveries are being taken, and also we'll go to technical charts and we'll try to find out what will be the next possible levels. So if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so do subscribe it, and also do join the Telegram group. So whatever the stocks we are discussing in Telegram group are performing very well. So hope you're making some good profit. So I've received many messages regarding that as well. So do join, and also personally, if you're having any doubts, you can contact me within Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Derivati, so that you can also clarify all the levels. Okay, so let's discuss about Ircon. So first we'll see the deliveries. After that we'll go to charts. Okay, so coming to deliveries, so first we'll try to see how they were being taken in the last two trading sessions. So we know that the May 20th, we have seen almost 47.2% deliveries, and you can see the stock also has given almost 4.7% positive movement. So we know that yesterday itself the price drop was seen and it has come down almost 50%. So many people might be knowing. So who will be benefited? Clearly I told you in Infibeam Avenues video also. So people who are holding from low levels, let's say they're holding from 60, 50 in that particular region, if they're invested long back ago, so they will have some additional benefit. So already I told you, so don't try to invest in especially government stocks in heavy quantities. So if you're interested, try to put moderate quantities and leave it for long term. So that is what I told in previous videos also. So clearly now if you are already invested for bonus, so definitely you can hold it. So don't try to sell anything. So we know that record date is 21st May. So before that you need to have the shares of Ircon in order to get the additional bonus shares. Okay, so in few days after record date is completed, definitely you will get the additional shares as well. So don't worry about that. So everything will be monitored. So you'll get a message from CDSL that you are applicable, and also you'll get the message when your shares will be credited. So everything is a process. So don't worry about that. I've received many messages like will I get the bonus shares or not? So don't panic about it. So just think about holding it for a certain period of time until you get some good profit. After that, depending upon you, you can hold or you can book profit. Okay, simple. So let's go to technical charts. Okay, so any further updates also you can directly go to the BSE website. In the BSE website, they clearly mentioned the record date also, that is today, which is Friday, which is 21st May. So for that you need to have shares before that, and bonus issue as I told is 1:1 ratio. Okay, simple. So now let's see what are the next supports. Basically we'll do the pivot analysis, and also we'll try to see what can be the next targets. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart. So clearly you can see a big red candle has been formed because of the issue that happened, and you can see currently it is trading near the 51.70 rupees level, and today also it has showed some positive movement of 1.27% positive movement. Okay, so I can tell you that next support that you can watch is 50 rupees level. So try to observe that particular level very clearly. So if you're willing to invest, definitely you can watch the 50 rupees level. So don't try to invest in any sort of heavy quantities, because we know even in Infibeam Avenues also something similar happened. So after that it has consolidated, so it may take little time for again showing a huge momentum. So definitely if you are having huge patience, then definitely you can go for investing. And people who are already holding, so you need to watch 50 rupees level as the important support. So this is in 1 week chart, and you can also see that money flow index has dropped to 28. So that is also in the oversold region. So obviously after this big fall, definitely it goes down. And here if you go and see in 1 day chart, so there also you can see the 50 rupees level is going to be very important. After that we have near term resistance near 55 and 60, where we have the pivot points. So try to observe these levels, and if you're interested, only trade between these levels. Okay. So next, if we go a little bit further, and let's even see in 15-minute charts how the stock has performed. Okay, so if you see today's movement also, I've put 15 minutes time frame. So you can see today it has opened with little gap up, but little again the gap filling happened, and again after taking support near the VWAP, again it is trying to go further. So try to watch the 53-54 rupees level. So there, as I told, we have the pivot resistance. So once it crosses that, then only we can have some further momentum. So it may take little time, it may consolidate. So as I told, hold it patiently if you want to exit with good profits, and rest of all bonus shares, as I told, it will be created, so don't worry about that. After record date, after certain period of time, automatically they will be given. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.